Opsview Monitor is engineered to gather metrics and events from hosts, components, applications, and business services all across your global hybrid IT infrastructure. That's powerful, and it makes Opsview Monitor an ideal point for connecting with IT operations management, notifications, ticketing, automation, and other tools, many of which Opsview supports with simple plug-and-play integrations. Now, our results exporter component lets you make use of Opsview Monitor's enterprise-wide data stream in new ways, gaining valuable insight into performance, utilization, cost, security, and more. That includes ElasticStack, the most widely used big data analytics and visualization platform. ElasticStack comprises the ElasticSearch search engine, the log ingestion formatting output tool LogStash, and the visualization framework Kibana, along with Beats, a plugin-based data shipping framework. Making the integration is remarkably simple. We show you in detail how to configure LogStash to ingest and parse data from Opsview Monitor, making it accessible to ElasticSearch and Kibana. With one small modification, this LogStash ingestion script can work with both export options we propose. The simpler approach is to configure Results Exporter to export to LogStash via a simple direct UDP syslog connection. The second method configures Results Exporter to produce a local log file, which you can then export to LogStash by installing and configuring file beats on the Opsview Monitor master. Once results start pouring into LogStash, they can be searched, analyzed, dashboarded, graphed, and displayed via Kibana in a host of highly customizable and scalable ways. Please check out Opsview Monitor 6.2 and read our blogs about Results Exporter integration with ElasticStack, Splunk, and other powerful tools.